everyone, Namaste. My name is Aparna and I'm from India. I'm in my second year of PhD in Agricultural College of Life Sciences and my major is Biological Environment. I'm very eager to learn new things and I'm all in the research field. Studying in Korea has several factors, which includes its richness in culture and also the quality of education it provides, innovation, and new technology that it has, which is a very appealing approach for the international students to choose Korea as a destination for their higher education. And the other reason could include the K-pop and Korean culture, which nowadays is very common in the new generation. While I was searching a university to pursue my higher studies, I was not looking for just a university which has a good education system, but also somewhere I can explore much more than just the education. So as you can see, geographically, the KNU university is situated in a very good ambience. So you cannot just only focus on study, but you can go beyond that. When I first introduced with Korea, it was through K-drama. So because Korean dramas are much more relatable with the day-to-day life, so you can relate more with that. I have also been introduced with K-pop, but still my preference would be K-drama over anything. So initially when I started watching K-drama, Lee Min-ho was the first Korean actor which I inclined into, but right now An Han-seop after watching The Business Proposal and so on. There are many experiences that I encountered for the very first time when I came to Korea, and among them making friends with different nationalities was the most memorable one, because in India I don't have such experience earlier. Apart from that, there are many programs organized by Office of International Affairs where in some I have volunteered as well. So these were some memorable that I cherish the most here. I want to explore more here. I want to go and volunteer more for the university because it is like a very kind of get together. You got to know more people and you can relate yourself with the Korean culture. So ultimately my goal is to become an innovative researcher in my field and to serve environment. Apart from that, I also want to make a greater future for the new generation. I would like to suggest students that they should first research about the university they want to enter into, its culture and its education system. Apart from that, they should know a little bit about Korean language because it will smoothen their whole experience living in here in Korea. And apart from that, I would like to suggest them something that just explore, because Korea is a very good destination to come and study. Not just involve yourself in study, but explore more and go to places and just live your life to the fullest.
수고하셨습니다.
Thank you.